guys, today we will be helping you make slime. We will guide you through what you need and how to make it. Hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it, as this is our first video. And next week we will be doing another video and it's going to be so fun. So turn that notification on so you know when we do it. Okay, hope you enjoy our video. And we are called as well, sorry I forgot, we are called Els Vids. Okay, bye. What we will need for our fluffy and stretchy slime is you will need a bowl and you will need a spoon. You will need some shaving foam. You'll need some sort of glue and some borax. Order it offline. You'll need some talcum powder and you'll need some body lotion. And you'll need a cup of warm water to dissolve the borax in. Put your glue into a bowl and leave it to set for a little bit. Put it to the side and get your borax and your warm water. Put a tablespoon of borax into your warm water and let it dissolve. By mixing it will slowly dissolve and leave it for a bit. After you've done that, put your borax to one side and get your glue again. Get your shaving foam and put that into the bowl, and then get your talcum powder and squeeze it into the bowl. Then you get your body lotion and put it into the bowl as well. Then you mix it all together nice and slowly to make a nice paste. After you've made your nice paste, get your borax again and put it into your solution. Bit by bit, put it into your solution and mix your solution about. This will slowly put all the slime together. Keep mixing and keep adding. When you've done, you will have a nice clump of slime. So just keep adding and keep mixing. When you think your solution is about right done, mix it about, make sure it's not sticky. If it is too sticky, put some more borax in. When it is done, you will get your spoon out and pick it up and put it onto a hard surface and knead it like bread. Keep squidging it and keep squeezing it.
Now you will have your slime. You can play with it and squish it and stretch it and do whatever you want with it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you found this video helpful. We will be doing weekly videos, and please can you like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you, bye.